Hey folks, Juliesawchuk here. I am outside a self-cleaning accessible washroom in Elora. First time seeing this one, so let's check it out. So sign says, welcome. For the comfort of all, the toilet seat is automatically disinfected and dried after each use. Inside, press the button to lock the door. The flush is automatic when opening the door. Children must be accompanied. Maximum period of use is 20 minutes. Please keep the place tidy. And the sign above has symbols, says restroom, bunch of accessible symbols, shows a baby-sized change table. Let's see what's inside. Start by locking. Okay, it's red. I heard a click. Here's the sink. You can see my face in the mirror. Looks like it's all automatic. We'll check that out in a minute. It's a pretty deep sink. Tiny little garbage receptacle there. Toilet. Looks pretty big. Has no seat per se. I don't know, hard to tell. Manual flush button behind the toilet, fold down grab bar, L bar with emergency button with a cover. Emergency button with a cover means having to lift the flap in order to activate it. Not useful if you're on the floor. Also, maybe not even within reach. I would struggle with that if I were on the floor. Sign above says emergency use only. Likely it's been activated by accident. Shelf above a giant toilet roll. And this really big, flat, hard stone surface. Now this, I've been told, is self-cleaning, this washroom. Lots of water stains. It's a pretty hard surface. It's very high off the floor. It's about level with my armpit. So this is about level with my armpit. You can tell by that. I would definitely not be able to get up there on my own. Sharps disposal, quite high off the floor. So, very interesting. This is a very high use space. It's outside a park, and there's probably a lot of activity here in the prime time season. And it's got some good accessibility features. There are definitely some things that I would have asked to do differently. The depth of the sink, probably, I think it's deeper than it needs to be. Because then you're reaching. I'm reaching all the way up to my armpit for that sink. Yeah, interesting. Floor is wet, but it's grippy. There's some definite texture to the floor, so might not be too much of a slip hazard. Interesting. Love checking out different bathrooms.